Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting episode here on Sir Boat's Yacht.
Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and adventure with the Fountaine Pajot Catamaran, a name that's been making waves since 1976. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or just dreaming of your next ocean escape, this vessel is designed to impress with its blend of style, comfort, and performance. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's explore what makes the Fountaine Pajot Catamaran a standout choice for boating enthusiasts worldwide.
Let's start with the key features that set the Fountaine Pajot Catamaran apart.
These boats are built with a dual hull design, which gives you incredible stability on the water, even when the seas get a bit choppy. You won't feel that annoying rocking you might get with a single hull boat, making it perfect for family trips or relaxing with friends. The range spans from 40 to 80 feet, so whether you're looking for a cozy getaway or a floating mansion, there's a model for you. One cool touch is the option for hybrid electric systems, like the Smart Electric version, which lets you sail with a smaller environmental footprint by using renewable energy. Plus, with spacious deck areas and ergonomic helm stations, maneuvering is a breeze, even for a small crew of just 2 people. Now, let's talk about the design, which is where Fountaine Pajot really shines. These catamarans come with a sleek, modern look that turns heads wherever they go. The hulls are crafted using advanced resin infusion techniques, making them lightweight yet incredibly strong, thanks to high-tech composite materials. This not only boosts durability but also helps the boat glide through the water more efficiently. The wide beam, sometimes stretching over 26 feet, creates a massive living space, while the coach roof design with panoramic windows keeps the interior bright and airy. Designers like Barrett Rakupo have worked their magic to give each model a timeless yet contemporary vibe, with lines that balance aesthetics and function. Whether you're admiring it from the dock or sailing it, the Fountaine Pajot Catamaran exudes elegance and purpose. Moving inside, the interior features are where this catamaran feels like a home on the water. Step into the saloon, and you're greeted with a 360-degree view thanks to those huge windows, making it the perfect spot for dining, lounging, or plotting your next course. The galley is a chef's dream, equipped with modern appliances and plenty of counter space, often seamlessly connected to the cockpit for easy entertaining. Cabins are located in the hulls, offering private retreats with tall ceilings and wide passageways, so you don't feel cramped. Many models, like the Aura 51, offer flexible layouts, including owner's suites that take up an entire hull for ultimate luxury. Materials like Corian surfaces and plush upholstery add a touch of sophistication, while advanced ventilation systems keep the air fresh, even on long voyages. When it comes to performance aspects, the Fountaine Pajot Catamaran doesn't disappoint. These boats are engineered for both power and efficiency, depending on whether you choose a sailing or motor version. Sailing models boast generous sail areas with high-quality sails from incidences, the go-to loft for multi-hull crossings, allowing you to harness the wind effectively. The deeper keels, like those on the Isla 40 with a 1.53-meter draft, improve upwind performance and reduce leeway, giving you better control. For motor catamarans, options like Volvo IPS engines deliver speeds up to 24 knots with impressive fuel economy. Some models can cruise 1,000 nautical miles at a moderate pace. The twin-engine setup and hydraulic rudders make docking a cinch, while the lightweight construction ensures you're not guzzling fuel, making these boats ideal for long-distance adventures.
Finally, let's highlight the unique selling points that make the Fountaine Pajot Catamaran a top pick.
One big draw is the sheer living space. Catamarans offer up to twice the area of a monohull of the same length, giving you room to spread out and enjoy. Safety is another standout, with unsinkable designs thanks to air pockets and watertight compartments, plus keels that detach on impact to protect the hull. The brand's commitment to sustainability is a game-changer, with plans for carbon-neutral boats by 2030 and innovations like the Odysseia 24 plan. Add in the high resale value, thanks to their reputation and quality, and you've got a boat that's not just a purchase but an investment. Plus, the global dealer network ensures you get personalized support, whether you're buying new or exploring pre-owned options. Here at Sir Boat's Yacht, we love bringing you the best of the boating world, and the Fountaine Pajot Catamaran is a true gem. Its combination of stability, luxury, and eco-conscious design makes it perfect for everyone from weekend cruisers to full-time live-aboards. If you're thinking about stepping up your yacht game, this could be the one to watch. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you sailed a Fountaine Pajot, or is it on your wish list? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, fair winds and happy sailing from the Sir Boats Yacht Crew.